In this video, I'm going to show you guys how to change the voicemail on your iPhone. And this is actually, well, for some people it's easier than others. But yeah, I'm going to show you guys how to do it. So you basically want to click on the phone icon at the, probably bottom left corner for you too, but yeah, just like this. And on the bottom right, you can see that there is the voicemail tab. And this is a bit weird, but this depends on the sort of like provider you are with. For some people, you can just click on add voicemail or something like that, and you can just record your voicemail. And for some people, like I have to call the voicemail, and you get sort of like a robot voice, and it says like press 1 for this, press 2 for that, and it will probably say press, I don't know, maybe 4 to record your voicemail, and you probably have to click on that. So yeah, it's a bit strange that it's different for different people, but that is basically like all you can do to change it. So I hope this video helped you out. Please leave a like and let me know in the comments if it worked, and I'll see you next time. Have a good day.